Hi and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today we get caravan issues. Hi, like I said, we've got a few caravan issues. So we just come back from a lovely holiday in Caravan Park in Cornwall, where we actually met up with some other vloggers and some friends, Glyn and Sharon Beckworth, and their friends Steve and Barbara. We also met up with Rob and May Calderbank. That was a surprise, didn't even know they were there. So that was nice meeting them. So had a nice day. Like I said, the summer hasn't been that good this year, but we actually had wonderful weather for that week, so we were very blessed. But when we got back, we all fell ill. Ended up in bed. I don't know if it's COVID or flu or whatever. I'm now getting over it. I did have quite a temperature the other day, but I'm feeling a lot better now. Thank you very much. But the caravan isn't, and we had some issues to sort out. Now, last day of our holiday, our toilet cassette played up. Went to open the toilet, the blade, the ratchet just went, blade stayed where it was. Took the cassette out and it is really stiff to try to open it. So we managed to get it open and we managed to use it for the last day, luckily. But now we're home, I'm going to have to bring it in and see if I can find out what the problem is. Now, I could buy a new mechanism for the top. I actually had a look online for these things. They're around anywhere between 40 to 60 pounds. Don't really want to pay that if I don't have to. So what I'm going to do is strip it down, see if I can see what the problem is. If not, like I say, I'll have to buy a new one. Unless there's someone out there who knows what causes this and how to sort it out, then please let us know. My email address is in the About page, or just put a comment down below and we'll look into it. So that's the toilet cassette. The next thing, I don't know if you will remember or if you watched, we've had some problems with our fridge. Now, while fixing it, I damaged the bottom fridge vent. Now, not the outside panel, but the bit what goes inside. So I've actually snapped off the retaining clip, I think you call it. So I need a new one of them. Now again, I looked online, probably getting for about £35, so that needs to be replaced as well. I'll do videos of these showing you how I do it. I don't know if it's the right way, but I'll show you how I fit these things and how easy it is to do. Saying that, the fridge is starting to play up again. We did get it working on gas and now it stopped, so it wasn't a bad connection. I think it's more likely to be the thermal couple. Don't know, but that's something I need to look at in the future. Next thing I've got to have a look at, I'm sorry if I keep looking down, I just put a list of them down here, is the motor mover. Now, the motor mover packed up, or didn't pack up, but seized up, nearly 2 years ago now, I think probably a year and a half. Managed to unseize it and it works, but the bearings fell out of one of the rollers. So basically one of the bearings have fallen apart inside and that's what's caused it to jam. It does work, but not very well, but we never use it. In fact, over a year and I've never used it. So I'm thinking, do I pay out and have it repaired? Which a new roller is anywhere from 60, 80 pound upwards, depending on the make of the motor mover. I'm not sure what our make is at the moment. I'd have to get underneath the van and have a look. Or do I remove the whole lot and save the weight? As I haven't used it. Now, all the times I have used it has been because I've been lazy, or it's White House Beach. White House Beach is a caravan and club site in Kensington, which has an annex. And on the annex, you can go nose in with the caravan, looking out over the sea. And that's the only time I think I'll probably use it. So I'm a bit like that at the moment, whether to or whether to not fix it. So that's not a major thing at the moment. The last thing on the list is our front blind. Now that broke last year and I'm worried about doing anything about it, to tell you the truth, because there's no curtains to replace it. We have a Bailey and it's the centre blind, the big one. So if I take it off and I mess it up, I've got no way of covering that front window. So I don't really want to play about with it if I'm not sure what I'm doing. So if anyone knows of any good videos or know how to replace this, or not replace it but fix it, please let me know. I'd be very appreciative. But yeah, up until I'm confident of doing it, I'm not going to touch that one. But these are the 4 things what need to be done in the caravan. And as we're probably not going to go away that much this winter because we have other commitments, it seems like I've got a little list. So this winter I'm going to start trying to get these things sorted out. I'll put videos out of them when we do them, and hope they help other people, and hope I don't mess it up. While we're on, when we were on holiday, we gave away a few stickers and people have asked. So if you want one, they're still available. They're still free. Just email us. I'll put my email address down here. It's also in the Abouts page. So just email us, ask for a sticker. We'll send one out to you. So until the next one, bye for now.